happy birthday to you. To Juliet Neneng Lagrama, happy birthday. I wish and I hope that you're having a fantastic day today with friends and families. Also, I would like to take this opportunity to thank Kamayo ako, classmate. Maraming salamat po for giving me the opportunity and chance to be part of this very special day. Once again, happy birthday po.
Good morning mga tropa. Si Roy Gamer nga po pala ito. Gusto ko lang sabihin kay Idol Kamayo ako. Isa sa classmate ko sa YouTube. At gusto ko ring batiin ng happy birthday yung wife mo na si Miss Juliet Neneng Lagrama. Happy birthday po. And more birthday to come. Good health po and more blessings to come po for the whole family. And muli, Miss Lagrama, happy birthday po.
Hi, Tex Juliet. Happy birthday. Yes, so kung waka kailan sa ako kailan ako sa inyo because of course akong tagsa nga si Rinaldo. Yes, so happy ko nag-involve ko sa imuhang day o first time nga na-reach out ka pinaagi ani nga message o sa birthday pa dyan ninyo. So, ang ako lang wish of course is tana magmalipayon ka sa imong adlaw, maayong panlawas para sa tanan, sa imo, sa imong tanan loved one, sa loved one sa imong love, tanan-tanan, yes, ana, then magmalig-on sa inyong paglayo, then patience lang, pasyensya, no? Ana lang siya kung i-pray nga ma-hold ninyo ang time together, na-adjud ang gino-offer mo sa inyong relationship, maski long distance ang inyong relasyon karon. Then mora na siya again, happy birthday, keep safe and enjoy.
What's going on, guys? RA Wanderlust here. Julie Neneng, happy birthday sa'yo, and of course more birthdays to come, and always keep safe. God bless you as well. And sasabihin ko lang sa'yo, napakaswerte mo dahil you have Kamayo ako, the best gift you'll ever have. So God bless with your family, stay safe, and ciao, peace.
Ayan, hello. Happy birthday nga pala sa iyo, Cas, Juliet Lagrama Corvera. So, yun, ang wish ko sa iyo ay marami ka pang birthday na darating.
Hello, I just want to greet the wife of our classmate and friend Kamayo ako. Sis Juliet Neneng Lagrama, happy birthday. Wish you for good health and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your birthday from Elisha Family Vlogs of United Arab Emirates.
So hello, happy birthday to Ate Neneng or Madam Neneng. Happy birthday to you. Happy 44th birthday. So enjoy your day and thank you for this opportunity na binigay sa amin ni Kamayo ako. Thank you Kamayo ako for this opportunity na maibati namin or maibati ko ang iyong loving wife. So, happy birthday to Madam Neneng. Happy birthday and enjoy your day. Thank you so much. Bye!
Good Juliet, have a good day. So I just want to greet you a happy birthday with more blessings to come, and with the love, peace, and joy to your heart. And this is Lardizabal, so would like to greet you once again. Happy birthday. Enjoy your celebration.
Hi Ma'am Juliet, happy birthday to you. Good health and always be happy. Isa din po akong Kamayo, taga San Agustin, Surigao del Sur. Luwela Campos po. Ayan. God bless you and your family. Once again Ma'am, happy birthday.
Hi, this is Simply April po. Ayan, one of friend of Kamayo ako. Ayan, binabati ko po ng maligayang kaarawan si Ate Neneng. Ayan, ang asawa ni Kuya Kamayo ako. Ayan, at sana po marami pa pong blessing na dumating sa inyo, ma'am. And good health po sa inyo at sa pamilya nyo rin. And I wish you the best po. Ayan, enjoy nyo lang po yung day na to because this is your day, ma'am. Ayan, Ate Neneng. And greetings po from a friend of Kamayo ako. Simply April po. Bye! Happy birthday again!
Hello, Kamayo ako. Happy birthday sa iyong asawa. Happy 41st birthday sa iyong asawa. Sana ay matupad ang kanyang mga pangarap sa inyong buhay na mag-asawa. Sana ay maging healthy ang inyong relationship all throughout your journey as a couple. And I only wish good health and a lot of blessings sa inyong mag-asawa. Thank you so much and God bless. Bye!
Hello! Mega love shout out to Ma'am Juliet Neneng Lagrama. Ayan! I just want to greet you a happy birthday to you. At sana'y, wish ko lang na sana'y maging super healthy ka po. At saka, ano pa ba? Stay pretty. And, ayan, just enjoy your day. Because it's your birthday today. So, ayan, yun lang po. Take care always. At saka, ayan, isa pa pala, napaka ni Mr. no, napaka supportive talaga sa iyo. At saka na-surprise ka no. See, how sweet naman ni Mr. Ayan, you're so lucky at si Mr. ay so lucky din sa iyo. So, pareho kayo. Once again, happy birthday to you. And to Kuya Kamayo. Ayan, Kuya. Next naman si Kuya. May pa-surprise pa talaga, no? Sana'y mag-grow pa yung YouTube channel mo. Ayan. Just keep connected always. At saka, ano pa ba? Ingat lagi sa buhay. At saka, ano pa ba? Ingat lagi. At saka, yun lang. God bless both of you. Okay? Happy birthday once again.
Hi Neneng! Happy birthday to you! My name is Sheng vfab. I'm one of Kamayo ako's friend here in YouTube, and actually I call Kamayo ako igsuon, kaya ako gyud siya ginangkon nga igsuon kay the moment I met him, I find him so kind and so generous, and he's always there supporting the community. And yeah, thank you so much. Happy birthday to you, and I pray that as you continue to delight yourself in the Lord, you will receive, or God will grant you all the desires of your heart. And yeah, thank you so much, and I hope to meet you one day kahit na bisan pa sa vlog lang ni Kamayo ako igsuon. Yes, thank you so much, and happy birthday to you. God bless. Bye.